In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Remini try again later error. First, you have to understand that you often face this error when you are using an ad blocker. You encounter this issue because you are using the free version. Another reason is that you may have reached the limit for image enhancements in the free version. The first solution is to buy the premium version of Remini. If you don't want to do that, I have a second solution for you. Open the Google Chrome browser and go to the Google Gemini website. Click on the plus icon and upload your blurred image. Then write a prompt like, "Remove the blur and enhance this image," and click send. Note that Gemini has recently been updated with new image generation and editing features. It is also completely free, you won't see any ads, and you can enhance and generate unlimited images. There is no limit. That's it. This enhanced image is more beautiful than the one Remini produced. I like Gemini the most.